The poem I Dream a World by Langston Hughes is poet's vision of a better world. The poem is description of the poet's dream where he visions a world where there will be no discrimination and everyone will live with peace and harmony. I dream a world where man, no other man will scorn, where love will bless the earth and peace its paths adorn. The poet, that is I, dreams of a world where there would be no negative feelings among human beings. There would be no feeling of anger for one man to another. Love will bless the entire earth and the paths of the earth, that is, the entire world, will be decorated with peace. In this world, no one looks down on anyone else. The poet wishes that love and peace should rule his dream world. We know that in the real world, men do look down upon other men. This was especially in terms of skin color, as per the poet. The white people in America of the early 20th century considered the colored people as secondary class citizens. This created hatred instead of love among people. That is why the poet dreams of a world where there would be equality. I dream a world where all will know sweet freedom's way, where greed no longer saps the soul, nor avarice blights our day. The poet dreams of a world where all, that is, all the human beings, will know the importance of freedom. There would be no greed and any kind of avarice, that is extreme greed for wealth, would not ruin or spoil anyone's day. The poet dreams of a world in which everyone will both want and have freedom. In this dream world, greed and materialism will no longer ruin humanity. In the real world, only certain people enjoy freedom of choices. Such men exploit the other men. This makes the poet feel very unhappy. That is why the poet dreams of a world where freedom is every man's right and there is no greed of any kind. A world I dream where black or white, whatever race you be, will share the bounties of the earth and every man is free. The poet dreams of a world where there is no discrimination between black or white. In other words, there is no racism. Whatever race a person may belong to, whatever caste, creed, community a person may belong to, he or she is respected. And everybody shares equally the abundance of nature. There is no discrimination, and every man enjoys freedom. Hughes says that in his dream world, all races must have equal opportunities for success. This is the kind of world the poet dreams, where wretchedness will hang its head and joy, like a pearl, attends the needs of all mankind. Of such I dream my world. Hughes dreams of a world where unhappiness will go away from the lives of people. He wants joy to come and reside in place of unhappiness. But we know that such a world can only exist in a dream vision. At the same time, the poem makes us think positively of getting a good and happy world. The poet dreams of a world where the needs of all human beings are fulfilled, where happiness, joy looks like a pearl. Every person is utterly happy. There is peace, brotherhood, love, respect, dignity, and above all, there is no discrimination. Of such I dream my world. Such is the poet's world. I Dream a World is a poem of 16 lines divided into four stanzas with rhyme scheme A, B, C, B. So, as you learnt in this poem, the poet believed that all races were equal and deserved to be treated with the same amount of respect. This is what the poet upholds in his poem I Dream a World. The dream is not only of the poet, it is the dream of everyone in this world of suffering. There are many poetic devices also used in the poem. Simile in the line and joy like a pearl. Personification, where love will bless the earth, where wretchedness will hang its head. Repetition of the line I dream a world. Alliteration, I dream a world where man and peace its path adorn. I hope you enjoyed the explanation of the poem I Dream a World. Thank you.